All right. Big TR and the Gnaw Dog wanted to see a video of this 2-hour and 2-minute bear. And I promised I would do it. Last time I tried to record it, the thing didn't work. So anyway, I'm Barre Pinske. I'm in Chester, Vermont, in the beautiful Green Mountains. This is the home of the Big Buzz Carving Festival, held the first weekend in October. And the other day I tried to make a bear in 2 hours. I timed myself. This one took 2 hours and 2 minutes. Pretty funny. I'm actually going to finish it today. Now, the most important thing that I find in creating these chainsaw bear carvings, and the things that works for me, I've been doing this for 25 years, is to get the line down the back made nicely, and then base all of my proportions, there's my dog, on that line down the back that we call the place where the space, the wood meets the space. Then I measure around to the front. It's very important to have the ears, the head, the neck. I literally kind of name off all of the parts. Boy, this lighting just isn't very good. Make sure I have all the parts when I do these things. So, why am I not rich? It's 2 hours and 2 minutes, a $350 bear. Rawr. Okay, so that's it. It's not the most lively bear. I like to have the heads turned and a little bit of twist in the body. We are cranking it out, so to speak. All right, so that's the 2 hour and 2 minute chainsaw carved bear by Barre Pinske. Now, let's see if I can get this stupid thing to save.